If I don't like the taste of something, it goes anywhere but my mouth. I'll eat cheese, but only cut in triangles. Pasta, as long as the noodles are shorter than my pinky. Mayonnaise just isn't something I do. And my egg yolk should be perfectly rounded. I'm pretty firm on that. My blueberries touch my apple slice? That's gonna be a problem. But Mom, she's not quite as picky. Every morning, she shakes up this protein and downs that sand-based speckle like she lost a bet or something.
Son of a that tastes like
Bless her nutrition-loving soul. But word on the street is they don't all taste like you licked a dank sandbox. Orgain. Get picky with your protein. An orange slice with white things on it? Nancy, please.